My name is Rosalinda Mendez, and I'm the Associate Director at the Texas Learning and Computation Center at the University of Houston. The Visualization Center is actually one of our, what we call, crown jewels in our resources. Basically what it is, it provides faculty to have that extra something in their research. One of the things that we wanted to do with the center from its inception was kind of be on the cutting edge of computation, visualization, and research. And having an asset like a visualization theater kind of brings all those things together. So it's really great to have great research, and it's really great to be able to, solve large problems with big machines. But at the end of the day, you have to explain to people what that is. And getting into a lot of scientific jargon, looking at large reports doesn't really do it. I mean, if you can fly through a heart, wouldn't that be much better than watching some PowerPoint or some tabular data that you're seeing, or an X-ray? It's really great to see things come to life. So sometimes researchers can't imagine what it is. They're very, in some ways, very myopic. They're looking at their research in one way and not understanding all the possibilities that visualization can bring. So the great thing about Mechdyne is that the company has sent several different people here and helped us with software, shown us different things that we can show our users to get them excited and interested in visualization. The way that the Mechdyne systems are used here at the University of Houston at TLC Squared is actually very diverse. So we do two things. We actually do some part which is scientific visualization, which is basically what most people would think of, things like modeling and maybe virtual fly-throughs, things like that. And as of late, we've actually been using it a lot for its kind of high-definition quality and having the ability to put 4 high-definition inputs onto this large screen. Having assets like this really proves to not only the student body here, but politicians, to government leaders, people around, that we're very serious about what we're doing in terms of actually bringing these kinds of assets into the university, so that there's a serious investment in what the university is doing to make sure that we kind of reach that next step, have the same kinds of assets that you would imagine would be at larger research universities. What we thought that was really great about the Mechdyne product was that it was something that we could feel very confident that it would actually be ready and be done when it was done. It wasn't like sometimes you get these third-party aggregators and you have no idea what's going to come out at the other end. With Mechdyne, we were pretty sure what we were going to get. We knew that the quality was there in the equipment that they were showing us. We had some, experience in the past with talking to people who had used Mechdyne systems before, and we were very happy with the input we'd gotten from them, and once they were on site, it was fantastic. Basically, from the get-go, when they walked in, it was like a little machine. It was kind of like, they came in and basically they, took the kind of lay of the land and worked out, what to do in a very quick and efficient manner. I believe, from start to finish, it was, about a week to 10 days of, having a room that had nothing to having, a pretty good working Viz lab. And it was really, really great talking and having this relationship with the technical representatives who were actually helping to design this theater to make sure that we were getting all the right components together. Their professionalism and the way that they basically sold the system to us was pretty much turnkey once it got here. They were really good at coming in and giving us all these great possibilities for what our wants were and our needs were, and showing us how to get there. Working with Mechdyne is a very collaborative enterprise, and so that you should feel very free to kind of dream as big as you want to dream, because they're going to work as hard as they can to try to put that together for you in reality.